Oh yeah. Fighting the big cat. He's digging in. That's that big one that was out there. Whoa, listen to that drag.
Is it a snapping turtle or just one?
No, I've seen him. I've seen the tail already.
Woo, listen to that.
I want to take a picture.
Listen to that drag.
Switch, catfish.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Swim away. Oh my God,
That ain't gonna go in the net. We need a bigger
Oh
net.
boy.
Up here. Where is the net?
swim away.
You got a bigger net?
No,
You need a bigger net.
I keep telling you, bring that net I got. It's a little bit bigger.
Come on. Bring it right here.
Oh yeah, that's a bruiser.
The picture
That's a
taker
bruiser.
right there. Hold my camera.
Ready with the net.
Nina's got the net ready.
Yeah.
Keep him away from that motor.
The motor's up.
Yeah, well, watch the blades rub against that and it'll be over.
Dive in with this thing.
Yeah, we're into about a 5-minute battle here. Oh, there's more of them rolling out there.
Oh, you got all kinds of
Oh, oh, it's a bruiser. It's at least 15 pounds.
Oh, God. Where is it?
He's out there. You'll wear him down soon.
Alright, I'll get done with this.
Yo, get all these fingers on my back out of my way. Look at that.
Maybe bring the net over here and I can net him right here if you can work him over this way.
Oh, yeah.
Just whatever way he's gonna go.
Yeah, he's a big guy.
Trying to keep him away from the.
Oh yeah, he's right there. Oh yeah, he's rolling. Neen, let me have the net.
Okay.
Let me try and get him over here.
Boy, pass it down.
Right here is the best spot, Mario. Wow.
Don't want to be at a dock.
Perfect. Here, you want me to video?
Here, I got the video going. We're still going here. That's all right. Just keep fighting him. Just hold it by the handle. See if we can get him. He's about half width. We'll get him in here. That's it. Keep him coming. Up, 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 up.
Here he comes. Coming up, coming up, coming up.
Oh, he won't fit in the net. That's what I told you. That's what you get for not letting me bring my net.
We're going to edit this
Yeah.
video out.
Yeah.
All the
Yeah, he
swearing.
won't even fit in the net.
Whee!
I tell you, bring a big net.
Hello.
Get his head in here.
We're going to get it.
We're
Go get it.
No, it's a stripe.
We'll fit halfway in, halfway
It's a
out.
stripe with
Go, go. Use your,
Hold on. Bring him up. Hold on, I'll bring him.
You suck.
use your leg muscles.
At least I get his head in.
I need the net.
Okay, he's going
Watch
in
out,
this
man.
time.
Oh, he got
Back it up, back it up.
Lip piercing.
God, this
Come
little
here.
pipsqueak net. Okay.
Ooh.
What a bruiser.
It's a
Hey,
muscle.
here, grab this rod.
Whew. Still got the video going. It's ready to break the net. It's ready to bend the net.
Should I stop it?
Yeah, go ahead, stop it. I'll put it on.
Can't see your face.
Get him? Let me get him on video a second. All right, look at that baby. That's a brute. Big channel cat. We're going to let him go.
All good?
Put him over here. Let's let him go right here. There he goes. Big cat.
Oh, now it's on. Yeah. It's blinking now. Alright.
Big chunk.
Alright. I think we got it all.
There you go. See you later, buddy. Oh yeah, flathead catfish. And here comes the rain. Well, Mason's mopping up. Crappie, catfish, smallmouth bass. Just catching a little bit of everything. Oh, here comes the rain, boys. This might be an early quit. Mason's there like, let's get out of here. Oh, go get him, Mace. Come on. It's just a catfish. Come on, give him a little kiss.
Here, Mama.
Give him a little kiss. Oh, he's gone.